Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorials Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to open your WhatsApp account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells. Now let's get started. First, open your Play Store application. Then on the search bar type WhatsApp. Then tap on WhatsApp Messenger, and if there's an install button that appears, tap on it, and after WhatsApp Messenger has finished installing, you'll see a similar interface as mine. Now tap on the open button. Then WhatsApp application will be opened on your mobile. Now tap on agree and continue. This simply means that you're agreeing to the terms and conditions of WhatsApp. If you want to view them thoroughly, then there are links provided in blue. If you tap on it, you'll be led to it. If you want to change the language, type on English and then you'll be able to select the preferred language with which you'd like to use your WhatsApp application on your mobile. After that, simply tap on agree and continue and enter your phone number. Now tap on next. After you tap on next, a verification code will be sent to you via this number onto your SMS. So sometimes your phone autofills this verification code and your account will be automatically verified. However, if it does not, then you can go to your SMS and you'll be able to see your verification code. Now go ahead, tap on next. Confirm that this is the correct phone number, tap on OK. As you can see, my phone automatically verifies my account. If you want WhatsApp to access your contacts, your photos and your other media, tap on continue. Tap on allow and allow all the permissions that WhatsApp asks for. After that, you'll be requested to enter a username with which people can search you with. You can also upload a profile photo, but that is completely optional. So if you don't want to, you simply tap on next. You must enter your username and then tap on next. After a while, you'll be logged into your WhatsApp account, and this is how you can open your WhatsApp account on your mobile. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.